Hello viewers, welcome to the channel Amazing Civil Engineering Studies. In today's video we are going to discuss about AutoCAD command and keyboard shortcut list. Ctrl+N. You can use this shortcut to open a new drawing tab in AutoCAD. Ctrl+S. You can use this keyboard shortcut to save a drawing file. Ctrl+Shift+S. You can use this keyboard shortcut to save the drawing as a new file, or in short this is shortcut for save as command. Ctrl+Numbers. Ctrl+0 clears screen to show only the drawing area and hides palettes and tabs. Press it again to reset default AutoCAD interface. Ctrl+1. Select an object and press Ctrl+1 to open the Properties palette, which lists properties of the object. You can use this palette to modify most of the properties of the object too. You can also use PR command to open the property palette. Ctrl+2. You can use it to open Design Center palette, which contains many AutoCAD blocks that can be used directly in your drawing. Ctrl+9. You can use this keyboard shortcut to toggle the visibility of command line. If for some reason your command line is hidden from the drawing area, then use this keyboard shortcut to bring it back. Ctrl+C. Select objects from the drawing area and press Ctrl+C to copy two objects to the clipboard. Ctrl+V. To paste the copied objects of the clipboard in the drawing keeping their original properties, you can use this keyboard shortcut. Ctrl+Shift+V. To paste the copied objects as a block, you can use this keyboard shortcut. The block thus created will have a random set of characters as its name. You can use this keyboard shortcut to make blocks quickly without going through the Create Block window. Ctrl+Z. This keyboard shortcut can be used to undo last action in your drawing. You can press this shortcut key multiple times to undo many actions. Ctrl+Y. This keyboard shortcut can be used to redo the last undo action which you have performed. Ctrl+Tab. You can use this keyboard shortcut to cycle through all open drawing tabs in AutoCAD. Thanks for watching. For now, please subscribe, like, share and do not forget to press bell icon.